What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Mastablendz Grilling and Cooking channel. My name is Trey, and today we're going to be making smoked macaroni and cheese. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, welcome back to the channel. So the first thing you want to do with your macaroni, you want to go ahead and cook your bacon. I'm going to be using an air fryer today because I'm going to be multitasking, but you can cook this in the oven, cook it on the pan, cook it however you want to cook it. You just want to make sure it's well done. So I'm going to go ahead. You're going to need about 5 to 6 strips. I'm gonna go ahead and just put this in the air fryer because I'm gonna be multitasking because I'm gonna go ahead and start on the noodles. So I actually have a bacon setting on the air fryer. I think it's 375 for 6 minutes, but I'm probably gonna have to put it in there another 3 or 4 minutes because sometimes it's not as crispy as I want it. But pretty much 375 for about 6 to 10 minutes on your air fryer if you don't have the bacon setting, and we'll be right back. All right, you guys, welcome back to the channel. I got my bacon in the air fryer cooking. We're gonna go ahead and start on the noodles. I like to use seashell noodles. You can use elbow noodles if you want to. I prefer using these because it's got these pockets in there and that cheese gets up in there, and man, you can't beat it. To enhance the flavor, you want to put 2 cups of chicken broth in your pan. Start that off, and then you want to put about 2 cups of water in your pan. So about 2 cups. You can add more later. All right, you want to get your pan up to a boil, and then you want to go ahead and put your noodles in. Catch you in a minute. All right, y'all, pot is starting to boil. We're gonna go ahead and just put the noodles on. All right, you just want to let this boil for about 9 minutes or so until the noodles are tender. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, while the noodles is cooking, you want to go ahead and shred your cheese. Cheese I'm using today, I'm gonna have some Gouda, I got some mild cheddar, and I got some mozzarella, and I got some Velveeta original. You want to shred the Gouda, the mild cheddar, and the mozzarella, Velveeta. You want to just cut those in cubes. I'm not gonna sit here and bore y'all shredding and cutting this up, but you get the point. Be right back. All right, y'all, it's been about 10 minutes. The noodles are done. What you want to do is you want to take you a little sprinkle of salt, put in there just a little dash. I don't like to put a lot, and mix that up for about a minute. After this, you want to go ahead and drain this and put this to the side. We're about to go ahead and start making the cheese sauce. All right, be right back. All right, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and start making the roux. For the cheese sauce, you're gonna need 2 tablespoons of butter. In my case, I drained the bacon fat that was in the air fryer, so I'm gonna use that instead, but you can use butter. So go ahead and put that in the pan. All right, after that, you wanna start adding your flour. You wanna do it little by little. You're gonna need 2 tablespoons, but I'm gonna start off with a little bit. You wanna mix this up. What you're trying to do, you're trying to cook that up out of there. Add a little bit more flour. You want to stay mixing it. And finish adding your flour. All right, after your roux is cooked down, you want to go ahead and add you 2 cups of milk. All right, what you want to start doing now, you want to go ahead and start adding your Velveeta cheese that you cut up. Start putting about 4 ounces in. You're going to want to mix this in until it starts to melt. You'll notice the color of the milk starting to get orange. That's when you know it's melting. All right, as you can see, the cheese is starting to get a little more on the orange side. We're gonna go ahead and keep putting some more of this Velveeta cheese in, like so. want to just keep mixing until it melts. All right, as that slowly melts, you want to take your other cheeses that you already done shredded up. You want to start throwing that in there slowly and just keep on mixing till you get a nice pot of melted cheese, just like that. All right, y'all, once you get the noodles ready and the cheese sauce is done, you want to get you an aluminum pan or any oven safe dish. I'm using a cast iron. I really wanted an aluminum pan so I wouldn't have to wash dishes, but it is what it is. Y'all know what I'm saying. So go ahead, get your pan ready. Go ahead and grab your noodles. Toss those in there. I'm not gonna put all of them in there right now. Can always add some more later. Go ahead and get that cheese sauce. Put that right there. You want to go ahead and mix this in. All right, go ahead and take the rest of the cheese that you made and slowly put it on the top. Try to cover the whole thing. This right here is the Gouda. I put most of it in the cheese sauce. Got my mild cheddar. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And your mozzarella cheese.
All right, y'all. So hopefully you didn't eat the bacon that you cooked earlier, because the time is now to place it on the macaroni. But if you did, I understand. But either way, we're going to go ahead and put some bacon on top of it that we chopped up earlier, like so. Yeah, we just want to go ahead and cover the whole thing up. That's what I'm talking about. Bacon. So I know y'all seen them frosted flakes earlier. What you need to do, go ahead and take them, crush them up, put them in a magic bullet blender, sit on them, do whatever. Instead of using breadcrumbs, we're gonna use the frosted flakes. I know y'all like, man, what in the world? Man, trust me, just try it. Just try it. So just cover the whole thing up, and after that, it's gonna be time to go ahead and put it in the smoker. So just fully cover it up. This is gonna be the top for it, and that's it. All right, I got the smoker at 350 degrees. So we're gonna go ahead and place it on the smoker for about an hour. Probably check on it, and that's it.
All right, you guys, it's been about an hour. We're gonna go ahead and check up on the macaroni. Oh yeah, we're starting to get that crust on there on the top. I might leave it on here about 10 more minutes, but after that, it'll be ready to take off the smoker. All right, I'll be right back.
All right, it's been 15 minutes. Oh yeah, that's exactly what I'm looking for. I got that crust on the top. That's exactly what I'm looking for right there. So we're gonna go ahead and take this off the smoker, get it in the house, let it cool down for about 15 minutes. It'll be time to eat. All right, bam, we got it. Smoked macaroni and cheese. Look at that, y'all. Oh my Lord, man, with that crust on the top with the frosted flakes and the bacon, man, it don't get no better than this. Hey, ain't nothing to do but eat now. Appreciate y'all. Remember to like, share, subscribe. I'm Mastablendz. Hey, I'm out.